command line. It can seem scary at first, like a black screen with a blinking cursor. But don't worry, it's a powerful tool. It lets you control your computer directly. Think of it like this. You have a friendly robot. The command line is how you talk to it. You type commands. The robot follows your instructions. These commands are like magic words. They tell the computer what to do. Want to see a list of files? There's a command for that. Want to create a folder? There's a command for that too. Learning these commands is like learning the robot's language. Once you know the basics, you can do amazing things. So, let's get started. We'll start with two very helpful commands, help and man. Think of them as your dictionaries in the world of the command line. The help command is like a quick guide. Let's say you want to know more about the cd command. Just type help cd and press enter. The computer will show you a short description of what cd does. The man command is for when you need more details. It stands for manual. Type man cd and you'll get a whole page of information about the cd command. It's like reading the instruction manual for that specific command. Now let's learn how to move around within your computer using the command line. Imagine your computer's file system as a big house with many rooms and folders. ls is your flashlight. Type ls and press enter. You'll see a list of all the rooms, directories, and files in your current location. cd is how you change rooms. Want to go to the documents room? Type cd documents. Now you are in the documents directory. Feeling lost? Use pwd. Print working directory. It tells you which room you are currently in. On some systems you might also see the command dir. It's like ls but might show information differently. Try it out and see. Now that you can navigate, let's learn how to create and organize. It's time to make your mark. Mkdir is for creating new directories. Want a photos directory inside your documents directory? Type mkdir photos. A new empty room is ready. cp is for copying files. Let's say you have a file named report.txt in your documents directory. You want a copy in your new photos directory. Type cp report.txt photos /. Now you have two copies of the file. Congratulations, you've learned some of the most basic and useful commands in Linux. With help and man, you can explore even more. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a command line master.